Okay, so we'll be listing out using the table method here. Right, so the first marble obtained, we have 4 red marbles, so I'll be writing down R1, R2, R3, R4. Then 3 yellow marbles, so Y1, Y2, Y3, and then 1 green marbles. Okay, and then for the second marble, we also have R1, R2, R3, R4, Y1, Y2, Y3, and green marble. Okay, so now let's just list down everything. So first time, I might get the first red marble. And then since we return the marble into the box before we get the second marble, so second time I might also get R1 as well. So I might get R1, R2, R1, R3, R1, R4. Now the reason why we numbered, okay, in case you're wondering, why do we number these marbles is because they are individual marbles. They are not the same marble. So we cannot consider them as one. Okay, we cannot consider them as the same marble. They are individual. Okay, so continue. R1, Y1, R1, Y2, R1, Y3, then R1, G. Okay, and so on. R2. If I get R2 as the first marble, then second marble, I might get R1. Or R2, R2. Okay, or R2, R3. R2, R4. R2, Y1. R2, Y2. R2, Y3. Then R2, G. Okay, so I've already written down it all. Okay, so it's a lot, I know, right? So this is our sample space. Okay, so the number of our sample space, how many possible outcomes do we have here? So remember that the formula the first time, the number of possible outcomes is equal to the number of possible outcome of the first event multiplied with the number of possible outcome of the second event. Okay, so the first event is when we are getting the first marble. So how many possible outcomes? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second event for the second is referring to the second marble. So how many possible outcomes? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 times 8, we have 64 is our number of possible outcome. Now we want to find the probability of getting 2 yellow marbles. Okay, so 2 yellow marbles. Let's see that color. So focus on the yellow. Here also focus on the yellow. So where does the 2 yellow meet each other? So they will meet each other right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I know it's not very clear, but I can list them all out. Okay, so the probability of getting 2 yellow marble will be Y1, 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 Y2, Y1, Y3, Y2, Y1, Y2, 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 y3, then y3, y1, y3, y2, and y3, y3. Okay, so how many possible outcomes do you have here? Okay, how many possible outcomes? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, therefore, the probability of getting 2 yellow marbles, okay, when listing possible outcome, okay, I'll just put PA and A over NS. Okay, so 9 over NS is 64. So it is the same as the one we calculated earlier. So 9 over 64. Therefore, you can say that both method has the same answer. So basically, all you need to do to verify the conjecture is that you use two methods. One is by using the formula, and second is by listing possible outcome. So listing possible outcome is up to you. You can use the table method, or you can use the listing, the one that we discussed previously. Okay, the one that we list out everything. Okay, so from there you choose the probability, okay, or the outcome that satisfy your question. Okay, so I hope these two examples will help you, and if you have any problem, feel free to ask for more guidance. Okay.